Today, I have a very unique strategy to show you utilizing a site I have never shown you before on this channel. If you want to start making some good money online, then make sure you follow all of these steps in this tutorial and keep watching so you know what exactly you have to do and how to set this passive income stream up for yourself so you can earn some money online. And so just before we get started, hey there, welcome to Flatter Treasure. I want you to support my channel by giving a big thumbs up below. I post new money making methods every single week. So guys, if you don't want to miss out any future uploads, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified whenever I have a new and a fresh strategy to make money online. Also, you'll be one of the first to use it. Okay, so today I'll be going over several different platforms, guys. So for that reason, I really want you guys to stick around because I know you'll love this. As you'll soon see, I'll show you how to set this on complete autopilot for free. You can earn money in complete passive income with no skills or experience required. With all that said, the very first site you want to go to this on here that is called offerwall.com. For those who don't know what this is, Offerwall is simply but an affiliate marketplace where you can find a bunch of different offers to promote. It's very similar to ClickBank and Digistore24 in that regard, but there's one major difference the site offers. CPA or cost per action offers. What this is, it's so different about them is that you get paid whenever someone signs up to this site you are promoting, so they don't have to purchase anything whatsoever. They just need to click on your affiliate link, sign up, and you'll get paid a set amount of money. This feature, as you may guess, the main reason we are seeing and using these websites that is called Offerwall instead of the aforementioned ClickBank and Digistore24. It's infinitely easier to get someone to sign up for a site for free rather than having to convince someone to purchase anything. Anyhow, the very first thing you want to do is just register by clicking right here. Then on the next page, you just need to enter stuff like your full name, email address, and password in order to create your brand new account. When you create your account, you'll now be able to promote offers and get the links. And so what you need to do is just click categories right here and click CPA. Since I have said we want to look for CPA offers in particular, what you basically now want to do is just simply pick any of that what you want. But I personally love promoting giveaways, and so I'll be going with this gift card as an example because it will really grab people's attention. When someone sees that they can win $1,000 gift card in this case, they'll really want to sign up to the platform because it doesn't cost them anything to do so, and they actually gain something. I'll also get paid when they sign up, so literally everybody wins in that case. So I said that you don't have to go for giveaways in particular. Once you'll find an offer you want to promote, whether it's a giveaway like myself and something else, you want to grab the affiliate link by clicking on run offer here. This will take you to the external website and you'll just need to sign up there. So you can grab the affiliate link. Once you have your link, the very next step is to come over to bit.ly.com. Now this site, as some of you know, can shorten links for now. As I said in many of my previous videos, you don't have to do this. This is an optional step, but I still highly recommend you to do so because if you shorten the link using this platform, it will look so much better and ultimately you'll get more clicks. In order to shorten it, just paste it here and click on shorten located on the right. And once you do that, you'll now want to head over to the website that will get us the traffic. The site in question is twitter.com. Now don't click off the video right away because you'll not need to have a social media following for this whatsoever. I know what is that many of you will be thinking about, but even if you have a brand new Twitter account, you can do this and still get clicks and signups via your link so you can get paid in completely passive income. This is because there is one more platform I need to show you. That very platform is the one that will allow us to get retweets on our post so we can get clicks on our link. With that being said, what you need to do is on Twitter, firstly, just create your account, obviously, if you don't have already one. And once you create your account, now you have to leave a post like this. In my case, I'm promoting a gift card giveaway, and this is what I wrote. Depending on what you're promoting, you'll change your post accordingly. And what you basically now what to do is post this, and when you do, you'll want to lead over to the aforementioned platform that will allow you to get paid. Even if you have 0 followers on Twitter, that platform is called youlikehits.com. Now I really want you guys to stick around so you know how to get shares on your Twitter post, because there's something else you need to do before you'll be able to get paid. First off, though you'll need an account on this site, you'll want to click sign up in the upper right corner. First, on the next page, just create a unique username, enter your valid email address and password, complete this captcha and click on sign up below to create your account. Once you create your account and log into your own account, this is how everything will look, and here's how this works. You can earn points on this platform and you can then exchange them for Twitter followers, tweets, likes, and retweets. You can also exchange them for YouTube videos, subscribers, and likes, and much more. You can also purchase this, set points, but I don't recommend that because simply that isn't necessary. In order to gain points for free, you want to hover your mouse over earn points here, and you will now have all of these ways to earn points. You can follow various peoples on Twitter, views and like various YouTube videos, and or subscribe to YouTube channels, and so on. Whichever one of these you want to pick is up to you. You should experiment a little bit and see which is the best way for you to earn those points. But in any case, when you accumulate a decent number of points, what you need to do is hover over add or edit sites, then on Twitter below, and select retweets, and this is where you'll be able to exchange those points for Twitter shares. Now just think about this for a second. If you get like 20 shares of this for your Twitter post, for example, well, that might not seem like a lot for this at a first glance. All of those people that shared your post must probably have a quite few followers themselves, and there's also a chance that those followers may share your post. So this is just creating a snowball effect, and you'll be easily able to get hundreds of clicks on your link. At the very least, it can even go up to a few thousand. And if you come over to the gift art giveaway, I'm using this as an example. Here you'll be able to see that I got $2.60 for sign up. So 100 people signing up, which is very conservative already. $2,060 made in passive income just like that, and this has enormous potential to get paid. And agreeably, the best part about this is you just need to get this to a sign up page, and once you'll be able to get paid again and again without lifting a finger from there. Anyways, this is it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to press that red subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. Bye. See you soon.